what you're doing here is you're boiling the mantaralla. They call the sea stuff out of it.
So now we're gonna put 2 pounds of butter till it melts. So now we're gonna put the fillets of stingray and let them simmer until they fall apart. Oh yeah.
That's Dexter, my agent friend. Say hi, Dexter.
Hi, Dexter.
So now that it's shredded, now we're gonna put the bell pepper and the onions to the mixture. Just don't want to melt the bag.
Thank you, Abraham and Omar for touching it.
So now that we added in the bell pepper and the onion, now we're gonna mix it all in with the stingray to make sure it's fully mixed. And then once it's all mixed in, we're gonna add the clamato into the mixture and let it simmer. Now we're gonna add the cans of tomato sauce. So after you put in the tomato sauce, we are gonna add the chile güeros. So after you add the chile güeros, you just kind of let it simmer for a little while. Hey, I didn't shake my hand, but you can't take pictures of me when
So what do you guys think? Excited of mantarraya or what?
Let's do this.
Let's do this! Yeah, what do you think? Bueno.
Gotta get this. Let's get it. Gold Network.
The bright, blessed day, the dogs say goodnight, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Oh, wait.
Now we put about 5 pounds of shrimp and we add in the veggies.
Mantarraya.
So now the stingray's all finished. So you can either eat it with chips or you can eat it with corn tortillas in tacos. And enjoy. What do y'all think about the mantarraya? What do you think, Dexter? What do you think about the mantarraya?
What's a mantarraya?
What do you think about the stingray?
I like